If you're a solar installer, designer, or EPC, there's one mistake that could start causing permit rejections in 2026, and many companies don't even realize it yet. Your electrical line diagrams, your interconnection details, your conductor calculations, and even your battery documentation. The National Electrical Code 2026 introduces several changes that directly impact how solar permit packages are designed and reviewed. Some are clarifications, others can completely change how your project is interconnected to the utility grid. If your company continues using old templates, you may start seeing permit revisions, AHJ comments, delayed approvals, costly redesigns. Welcome to Green World Renewable Energy. In today's video, we'll discuss NEC 2026 changes affecting solar permits, updates impacting single line diagrams, new interconnection requirements, battery storage documentation changes, line side tap limitations, microinverter and conductor sizing updates, how installers can prepare now. Let's get started. Part 1. Why NEC 2026 matters. Every 3 years, the National Electrical Code evolves. These updates are designed to improve safety, reliability, system performance, inspection consistency for solar companies. The NEC directly affects permit plan sets, single line diagrams, equipment selection, conductor sizing, battery integration, interconnection methods. The good news, most NEC 2026 solar updates are clarifications rather than complete overhauls. The bad news, several updates can directly affect permit approvals if they're missed. Part 2. Line side interconnection rules are back. One of the biggest NEC 2026 changes involves line side interconnections. Many residential solar systems use supply side taps, also known as line side connections. NEC 2026 reintroduces specific conductor length limitations for these installations. For residential projects, maximum length is generally under 10 feet between the tap and overcurrent protection device. For commercial applications, under approximately 16.5 feet. This change brings back the intent from earlier code cycles and gives AHJs clearer standards for review. Why it matters? Many existing design templates may no longer comply. Installers relying on older line side layouts should review every design carefully. Part 3. Single line diagrams will require more accuracy. The single line diagram has always been the most important sheet in a solar permit package, but NEC 2026 places even more emphasis on accurate documentation. AHJs will pay closer attention to conductor routing, disconnect locations, interconnection points, power source identification, energy storage integration. New interconnection provisions and disconnect requirements mean line diagrams must clearly communicate how every source interacts with the system. In short, the days of generic one-size-fits-all single line diagrams are disappearing. Part 4. Solar plus battery systems require more documentation. Battery storage continues to grow rapidly across the United States. As a result, NEC 2026 introduces additional attention to energy storage documentation. Projects that combine solar PV, battery storage, EV charging may require clearer documentation showing how these systems interact for designers. This means your permit package may need more detailed information regarding battery management systems, system ratings, export capability, interconnection controls. The more complex the system becomes, the more important accurate engineering documentation becomes. Part 5. Microinverter designs are getting more clarity. Microinverters continue to dominate residential solar. NEC 2026 provides additional clarification on conductor sizing for microinverter systems. Previously, AHJ interpretations sometimes varied. Now, designers have clearer guidance on sizing conductors based on aggregate microinverter output. Why this matters? Better consistency, fewer AHJ disputes, fewer permit revisions, more predictable design standards, Part 6 new power control system opportunities. One of the most exciting developments in NEC 2026 is expanded recognition of power control systems or PCS. These systems actively manage electrical flow and can help optimize interconnections for installers dealing with limited panel capacity, solar plus storage, EV charging, complex load management. PCS technology can create new design opportunities that were previously difficult or expensive. This could become especially valuable for retrofit projects. Part 7. Rapid Shoutout and Labeling Updates. Rapid Shoutout remains one of the most important safety requirements in modern solar design. NEC 2026 refines portions of rapid shutdown documentation and labeling requirements while maintaining strong emphasis on firefighter safety. Designers should verify label placement, shutdown identification, equipment documentation, emergency procedures before final permit submission. Even small labeling mistakes can generate AHJ comments. Part 8: What installers should do right now. If you're a solar installer or EPC, now is the time to prepare. Review permit templates, single line diagram standards, interconnection methods, battery documentation procedures, engineering workflows. Don't wait until your AHJ adopts NEC 2026. The companies that prepare early will experience fewer delays and smoother approvals. Part 9: How GWRE helps solar companies stay compliant at Green World Renewable Energy. We help installers stay ahead of evolving code requirements through solar permit design, PE stamping services, residential solar engineering, commercial solar design, battery storage design, AHJ compliant plan sets. As NEC requirements continue evolving, professional engineering support becomes more valuable than ever. NEC 2026 isn't just another code update. It's a reminder that solar design continues to evolve. The installers who understand these changes early will complete projects faster, reduce revisions, and stay ahead of the competition. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let us know in the comments, which NEC 2026 change do you think will impact solar installers the most? For more content about solar permitting, PE stamping, battery storage, EV charging, and solar engineering, subscribe to the Green World Renewable Energy channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.